We have here two engines for BMW R35. The one in the left is made in 1938 and the one in the right is made after 1945. This one, as you can see, has a serial number which starts with 303. That is the proof that engine is from 1938. And now we can see the differences. As you can see, we have a casting here for this part, and here we don't have it. We have just a stamp with the number. This 12 and something like it looks like a star. Inside the timing chain and gear, they are the same. This one has a number here, 3, and also 02. This one doesn't have a number. Up here we have the same holes. What we see at the first look is the fact that the newer engines have a poor casting. This is not cracked, it's from casting. Also here, and the porosity is higher on the newer engines compared to the old ones. On the left side we see they are the same. We have the same shape and casting. We see also here some problem with the casting for the newer engine, and for the older engine we don't have this problem. Inside in the pocket they are the same. This is the channel, the tube for the gas engines. Is the same also in this engine. Underneath for the newer engine we have a number here, number 3. It's better this way. Okay, this is the old engine and this is the newer one. They are almost the same. The only difference that I am seeing is here for the oil pump. The casting here it is almost in a straight line, and here we have another shape, but overall is the same. We have the same hole for the dipstick, also here. Here we have a serial number, I believe. Some letters and numbers casted. And this one does not have the same serial number, but we are seeing a serial number here in the back, which it starts with 235. In the back in the engine, we have here the mount for the cable clutch, and as you can see, for the newer engine it's a little taller than the old engine. Also here we are seeing a better quality for casting compared to this one. Also here we have a number E51. I don't know what it is, what is the meaning of this. Here inside we are seeing cannot focus this shape here, and also here, you see, and here, and we don't have these shapes here. As you can see, there are shorter castings only for the thread, made for the thread of the bolts. Inside we have a number 2 for the newer engine. For the old one we don't have a number. And also we have a small difference, but I think it is important. You can see here we have a cut. For the old engine we have two small cuts. These cuts here are for oil lubrication for the crankshaft. When you pull the lever clutch, you are pushing the crankshaft in the front, and the crankshaft is working here. As you can see, I have made here a mark. This is the thickness, this black mark here. It is the thickness of the part of the crankshaft that is touching the engine. And these two small cuts are for lubrication. From the oil splash it goes here, and it ensures the lubrication here in the front. For the newer engine they have made a bigger cut, which is working better for lubrication, because you have a larger quantity of oil which is going here for lubrication. Here I have made the same mark. This is the thickness of the crankshaft, which is touching here the engine housing. We have also a difference here. On the old engine we have just a small casting here, and on the newer one we have a large casting here. In the right side they are the same. We don't see any difference. It is only the quality of the casting that is different for these two engines in the right side. So overall the engines are pretty much the same if we accept the casting quality and the marks. I remember now that we have another mark here. This is a small square. And for this one we don't have the mark. And now the differences between old model crankshaft and the newer model crankshaft. This model, it was also used on BMW R4, and it was used until 1940 from what I know. Maybe I am wrong, but according to what I have read, it was used until 1940. This is the newer model. This is the one that we have repaired and you have seen in the previous videos. This was made after 1945. As you can see, they have this piece, a bolt which is used in order to mount the timing gear, and also for sealing here in this area. It is the oil seal. This one have the same part, but as you can see, it is left threaded. But it is essentially the same part. This is the timing gear. It is different than this one. And also I want to show you something. As you can see, the old model has a 90-degree shape, and the newer model had an 100 and maybe 20-degree shape. That means this one is heavier. I have put them on the scale weight, and this one is heavier with 37 grams. Now we would like to repair also this crankshaft and use them, because the first reason is the fact it is the original one, and when I say the original one, I mean by correct period. And also we have a heavier piston, and this crankshaft can help us to compensate this heavier piston. On the road piston we can see a mark which is starting with 275, a small B letter here, AC80. On the other side we don't have nothing. This bushing is very long. It is made from iron and it is not okay. On this one we have here a part number which is starting with the 235, and here BMW mark. So now I have to take this crankshaft and I hope we can repair this crankshaft. I have to go to a specialist for crankshaft to open this crankshaft and see if we can recover. Maybe we will do some machining, changing some parts if necessary. But I hope we can recover this crankshaft.